MarginDriver's Products and Categories page is designed to provide users with fast and accessible intelligence on their profitability by product, category, and supplier. It starts off with the ability to filter by sales channel and time period, including an option for a custom date range. Next, you can choose the metric for which you want to see the top results for the selected time period: orders, the number of orders that include that SKU, product quantity, the total quantity of SKUs sold, average product revenue, average product cost, product markup, product revenue, product gross profit, which in this case excludes shipping cost and shipping revenue, and average product gross profit, also excluding shipping cost and revenue. You can toggle between top products, top brands, and top suppliers. The user interface shows the top 10 results for each option, as does the bar chart to the right. But you can get the full results for all three options with a single export to Excel. You can also use the search box to find the SKU, brand, or supplier of your choice. The result of your search will then be denoted in orange. The selected product performance history graph tracks the performance of an individual user-selected product, brand, or supplier. The selection is made by clicking the desired item from the table above. The graph has independent menu selections for time period, including custom date range, and results are available in daily totals or 7-day moving averages. Finally, the Advanced Sku Analytics section is the SKU-based cousin to MarginDriver's Order Analytics feature. It is designed to allow the user to assess the profitability of individual SKUs and groups of SKUs using advanced search and filter tools. You can search by SKU, product title, or brand, choose an individual distribution center from the drop-down menu, or enter custom parameters for any of the remaining columns to view all orders meeting your criteria. You can even enter multiple parameters simultaneously for as many columns as you would like for more refined searching and filtering. In addition, there is a checkbox to group distribution centers. The same SKU can originate from multiple different distribution centers, and this report, by default, will track those SKUs separately. Checking this box will generate a single result for each SKU that totals the sales from all distribution centers. Users should note that the Advanced Sku Analytics table does not include shipping costs because of the fact that MarginDriver cannot accurately attribute how much shipping cost to apply to a given SKU in an order that contains multiple different SKUs. But MarginDriver does provide a method for assessing per SKU profitability that includes shipping cost using the Order Analytics feature. On the Order Analytics page, uncheck the box to include multi-SKU orders. This will limit your searching and filtering to only orders that contain a single SKU. Then enter the SKU you wish to view in the SKU number column. Now your results are limited to only orders that contain the SKU that you search for.